What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Tales from Sonic 3. Sorry it took so long. Drew everyone else, I think. Time for Tails. And we're going to do them sort of flying. Not with the spinny tails, just the two from a poster. This is from the movie poster. Okay, landscape page. Pencil eraser, hit pause. If I go too fast, I'm going to start with his eyes. Center point of my page about there. Come up over to the right, and we'll start with his frown. Check mark. Okay, do the same over the other side. Bit of fur maybe on the outside of his eyes. Bum, 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 bum. Right, so then he's real square, big Sonic style eyes. Carving. Comes down across. And then down the front here. Like that. And those big blue long eyes just here in the corner. Then his pupil, the black part. In there, just color this dark black. Or shade it with your pencil and then make it black after. I think he's got another sort of little frown line here. Right, other eye. Real flat across the bottom. And then down this way. And then blue. Long eyes. Iris. The eyes are so big, they can be tricky to get the sort of shape right and get them even and everything. You know, looking at them, you think they're really easy, but there's a little bit of a knack to the Sonic eyes, I must say. And all blue around. So let's try head, the rest of his head. So he's got like little spikes coming out from, see the corner of his eye, like it's kind of fuzzy. Kind of this kind of thing. And the same over here. Like a beard nearly. And then just his face shape is just round, curved. Messed up here. The one looks like maybe we should be out here a bit. It doesn't look too bad. Add another one. And then triangle for nose. Like so. And then a bit of a white line just coming across here. His mouth kind of downturned, real serious. Curving. Like so. And then his head. So you could do smooth line like a cartoon, or if you want to keep it like the movie, you could do kind of like a sketchy sort of zigzag line like that. you know, for anywhere there's like his fur. But you can go just like smooth with it if you prefer to do that. We eventually meet his ears up here, right? So when it goes, they're quite big. So we go sort of, say, there, and then bring it down to meet that, and then same over here. Okay. Then we have some big spikes in the middle of his head. Some big hair spikes. And they have some like texture lines on them. So one spike there, and then a bigger one even in the middle. Like that. And I think another one sticking up at the back here. Textures on that as well. And then just finish off the ear into there somewhere. Maybe like just there. Right, then there's an inside part to his ears, so like a different color in there. Like another little triangle shape in there. And then we got like hair coming down just for like the top of his head. It's like just little sort of spikes in here. Eventually sort of joins the side of his head there. So we could have like some little textures and stuff just for the frowns on his head and stuff like that. Right, so that's his head. So he's flying, right? So he's one arm going back that way, another one coming in the front. So say like a fist here. It's a cartoon, gloved white hand. It's top of the hand. Then we have 4 fingers, just 4 bumps, like that. Side of his little finger joins the back of the hand like so. And then each of these would be a little finger coming up in this sort of box area like that. And then the thumb. So he does have like the end of the glove where it joins his wrist also. So like boom. I think there's like a bit of a shadow in here, so I'll just darken this. And there's like his elbow and sort of shoulder going up that way. And I think it just like joins his body somewhere here. So his other arm, let's see, so it's like beside his hair. Ignore that line though. So it's like he's got that wristband thing here. And then his arm will come, say, this way. Okay, and then we can just see 3 fingers. So we can see, like, go with maybe the thumb. Sticking out there, and then his index finger curved upwards like that. And we can see his middle finger just beside it, and we can't see his pinky. We can just see the back of his hand there. There's like a little glove line that runs down the side of the glove like that. His belly just comes around here, and again, it can be like a sketchy sort of furry line if you want, or it can be smooth. Like you see the way the glove line's real smooth, and this makes this look a bit more textured, like hair. So it just gives you a bit of a different feel. So then he has a white fur area down here. And then maybe like a bit of fur on his neck or something here, like coming down from his chest. Then we got 2 big boots. So, and he's got these sort of socks, white socks. So say like a curved line there. And his knee will go into it, or like his leg at least. So kind of like, that's like an orange knee. So we're kind of looking down at the shoes because he's flying towards us. So a bit of perspective going on, a bit of an optical illusion. Drawing is like magic. It's an illusion, guys. Tails isn't really here. I know, it's crazy. Do-do-do. Oop, sorry about the noise. My daughter is loud. Right, and then shoes, big ones. Big red and white shoes. Kind of like clown shoes. And then it's like a black edge there, and then a black edge just on this side. And then we have the red. The red top here, and this is white. So a couple of bumps just like that. And then we got to draw Tails' tails. So again, sort of like furry, bushy foxtail, right? And just adding little spikes on it. And they get kind of smaller as we go back towards his body. Back there. And there's like a little sort of separation between the white and the orange at the top. The other one goes from beside his ear about there, and then his elbow about here, and it kind of curves around then. Right, and then just a little sort of section coming around here for a different color. So orange and then white. Excuse me. Bit of texture on it if you want, like just little stuff like that, show it's kind of furry. Tails from Sonic 3. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching.